Hey, I found 10 ways for you to start earning up to $1,000 per second with ChatGPT. I've tried them all and already earned $5 billion. No, actually, this is how much you can earn using all those tutorials from YouTube. The idea that you can earn a fortune with ChatGPT without putting in any effort is sweet, and it makes your heart run faster. But I'm here today to tell you that you are wasting your time. Let me explain. So you've seen all those videos claiming that ChatGPT can make you rich by simply generating content for you, right? Well, here's the thing. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for generating content, but it's not a magic money-making machine. A girl earned $1,000 by selling ebooks made by ChatGPT on Amazon. Well, good for her if it's true. But when it comes to content creation, content itself is just the first step. And unfortunately, it's not the most important one. To make money, you need to reach audience. If my channel had 1 million loyal subscribers right now, this video would get 100k views, 300k, 500k, instead of just 300 or 500 views. And it would be the same video. So it's not only about content. Same thing with ebooks or blogs. You can have the best ebook in the world, but if no one knows about it, you are not making any sales. Let's say you use ChatGPT to write an amazing book. Great, but how do you get people to see it? We're not talking about sales now, just how will they find this book? Well, you have a few options here. Organic traffic through SEO, social media, email marketing, paid ads. And guess what? If you don't have money on ads and you don't have a loyal audience and you don't have time to build this audience, good luck, because your chances to sell one copy of your ebook are zero. Like all these books, just take a look. They also used Midjourney to do that, but I'm gonna create another video where we'll be talking about Midjourney. Yeah, they're trying to sell it for a dollar. By the way, Etsy takes 20 cents per any sale that you make, plus 6.5%. Don't forget. So they're selling it for nothing. And they still don't have any sales, like 5 sales. Okay. Or maybe this one. Okay, they didn't even try. But again, a dollar, 0 sales. Same thing for 27. We don't see any pages though, but it doesn't look good. 0 reviews. He tried. 0 sales. The truth is, earning money takes effort, regardless of whether you're using ChatGPT or not. You need a solid marketing strategy to promote your product. You need to build relationship with audience to make sales. Or maybe you decided that, nah, ebooks are not for me. I'm not that stupid. I'm gonna do a smarter thing. I'm gonna write product descriptions and blog articles for people, but I'm not gonna do it myself. Instead, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to do it for me. Well, I have only one question for you. Where are you gonna sell those? On Fiverr? Upwork? Well, let's consider the competition from thousands of others doing the same thing. If you have ever tried to work on Fiverr or Upwork platforms, you are well aware of challenges involved in establishing your profile and getting reviews. Not to mention offering your services for a few dollars and still losing clients because someone will be offering these services for a few cents. Just take a look at this. all these people that are trying to do the same thing. And let me tell you that there are actually people who've been doing this for a while. For example, if you are writing blogs for people for a few years now, then yes, ChatGPT can help you, of course. But if you've never done that before and you just decided that you're gonna come to the sphere and become rich, I don't think that that's a good idea. Because the belief that you can simply upload your offer, immediately receive gigs, and get profit is entirely misguided. So making a YouTube video about how to get rich with ChatGPT can bring you money though. And just like this, the ideas on creating YouTube shorts with quotes, for example, it can work too. So in my opinion, these ideas are way better than ebooks or blogs or translations or product descriptions. Just remember that any video creation involves video creation, and chatbot will not do this for you. So you need to find a video that will not be banned because of copyright, and it's a tricky one. You need software that is not free in most cases. And still, remind me why YouTube will show your video instead of more popular channels. Is there a real reason if you just copied a thing that has been done 1,000 times? Overall, ChatGPT is a great assistant. Did he help me write a script for this video? Yes, he did. Did I simply copy the text that he generated? No, I did not, because relying on ChatGPT 100% is not a good idea, especially if you want your content to reflect your personality. And I do. So remember, there is no thing as get-rich-quick scheme. While ChatGPT is an amazing tool for content creation, it's not a magic ticket to riches. Earning money online takes more than just great content. It requires effective marketing strategies and work. If this video was helpful, or if you are just thinking the same thing, let me know by hitting the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Why not? I'll see you in the next video.